working rule now. Step 1, write the integral in the form integration of step number 2, split the integrals into two integrals. Integration of fx e raised to power x dx plus integration of f derivative x e raised to power x dx. Step 3, integrate first part and first part is fx e raised to power x dx by integrating by parts. Step 4, cancel the same terms with different signs on your right hand side. So these are the 4 steps by which we are going to solve the questions in very systematic way.